Okay. Okay. Hello, you're back. Okay, potato. From these 15 animals, which one here do you like the most? Potato.
I like
I like.
cow.
Okay, you like the cow. Why you like the cow, potato? Why you choose the cow?
But it means cow.
Okay. All right. Okay. Next here. Potato. Is your favorite cow or animal big or small?
It's small.
Okay, it's small. Is it ugly or beautiful?
It's little spoon.
Okay, beautiful. Now here, how many legs does the cow has it got?
What?
How many legs?
I don't know.
Look at how many legs?
It's I don't know.
Does the cow got 2 legs?
No.
How many?
Got 4.
Okay, 4 legs. Okay, and what color is it?
Color is white and brown.
Okay, white and brown. And can the cow swim? Can it swim?
No.
No. What can it do? Aside from it cannot swim, what can it do? Does the cow crawl?
Crawl. Yeah.
Crawl? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, the cow will not crawl. It will walk and run. Okay. Now here, oh, look at here, potato. I have here question for you. Okay, look at here, potato. Is a chicken big
What?
animal or chicken is small? Chicken, big or small? Look at the picture, number 5.
Small.
Small. What color is the chicken? Okay, what color is the chicken?
Small.
Okay, what's the color of the chicken? What's the color of the chicken? The chicken is color. Potato, what's the color of the chicken? The chicken is color.
Black.
Black. Very good. And what can the chicken do? What can it do? Chicken can? Can it swim? Can it climb?
No, it's
Oh, chicken
No,
can
it's
walk. Only walk and run. Okay, so the chicken is small. It's black. It can walk. Okay, those are the 3 things to describe a chicken. It is small, black, walk. It can walk. Okay, now look at here. Potato. This one. Look at the donkey. Is the donkey big, long, beautiful, short, ugly, or small? Choose one. Potato. Choose one here. Donkey. Choose one. Choose one. And choose one. What can you say about a donkey? The donkey is?
Donkey is
Okay. Choose first here. Big, long, small, ugly, short. What is it? Donkey is?
I don't know.
Huh? Donkey. What can you say about a donkey? Choose one
Donkey
word. Is it beautiful? Is it
is
ugly? Big?
ugly.
Donkey is ugly. How about the color of the donkey? Potato, what's the color of the donkey?
Color is
What's the color? Donkey is color?
black and white.
Okay, black and white. And what can it do? Can donkey fly, jump, run, swim, or walk? What can the donkey do? Donkey fly, jump, run, swim, or walk? What is it, potato? Donkey can?
Donkey can run.
Run. Very good. Potato, how about the snake? What can you say about the snake? Is the snake big, long, beautiful, short, ugly, or small? Snake is? Snake is?
Is small.
Okay, snake is small. What's the color of the snake? It's long. What's the color?
The color
Is?
is green.
Green. Okay, next. What can the snake do? Fly, jump, run, or swim? What can it do, potato? Snake can run?
No, it's slim.
Oh, yeah, some snakes can swim. But most of the snakes, they crawl. Okay, next. Potato, how about frog? Okay, what can you say about the frog? Is the frog big, long, beautiful, short, ugly, or small? Frog is
Small.
small. What's the color? What's the color of the frog? What's the color of the frog?
The color is
Color is
color color green.
green. Okay. What can a frog do? Fly, jump, run, swim, or walk? What can it do, potato? Frog can? What do you think, potato? What can it do? Frog.
Frog can the frog can hop.
Okay. Very good. Next. How about the hippo? Potato, the hippo. Hippo. Okay, what can you say about the hippo? Is it big, long, beautiful, short, ugly, or small? Hippo. Hippo is? Hippo is?
Is
What
short.
can you say? Short. Is hippo big or small? Hippo, big or
Small.
small? It's?
Small.
Small. Okay, next. What's the color of the hippo?
The color is
Hmm. Hippo is color.
Who is color?
What's the color of the hippo? Hippo is color.
Who is color?
Look at the picture of the hippo. What's the color of the picture of the hippo?
Is color. Color. Color.
Color. Come on.
Color. Color. I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Oh, sometimes some hippos are color brown. Sometimes it's gray. Okay. How about potato? What can a hippo do? Can hippo fly, jump, run, swim, or walk? What can the hippo do? Walk. Okay. Oh, last. How about polar bear, potato? Polar bear. What can you say about the polar bear? Is polar bear big, long, beautiful, short, ugly, or small? The polar bear. It's big. Okay, next. What's the color of the polar bear? Polar bear. Potato. Polar bear is color.
What? Putin.
Oh, white. Okay, next. How about what can a polar bear do? What can it do?
Is
It can.
this color?
It can walk. What else? Can the polar bear swim? Can it swim?
No.
No. Yeah, some polar bears can swim. How about can they run? Can they run? Potato. No. Yes, they can run. How about can polar bear fly?
No.
No. Why they can fly? Why?
But no. But is
No.
no fly.
No wings. No fly. Not no fly. No wings. Okay. Polar bears got no wings. Okay. There you go. Okay. So potato, we will end it there. So the one I asked you to tell me was about describing words. I asked you that one because I want you to learn how to describe something. First is by looking on how they look like. Okay, are they big, long, short, ugly, beautiful? Next, their color. Okay, you tell the color. And also, the last one is, what can they do? Okay, because animals can do different things. Okay, they cannot do same thing. Okay, some animals can fly, some can run, some can tap, but not all animals can do all those things, okay? All right, potato, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would be all for today, potato. Goodbye for now. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, you can take your rest now. Goodbye.
Bye.